Dustin again with My HomeKit Home, bringing you all things Apple HomeKit, from product reviews to news to how-tos just like this one. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our new videos as soon as they're released. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to perform a factory reset on the VOCOlinc PureFlow Smart Air Purifier. So what we'll do first is we'll see how to remove it from Apple's Home app and from the Linkwise app. Then we'll get into the physical reset of the device. From Apple's Home app, we'll track down our Smart Air Purifier. We'll long press on the tile. We'll scroll down to get into the settings, and at the very bottom we'll see Remove Accessory. We'll confirm that, and it's as easy as pie. It's equally as easy in the Linkwise app as well. So we'll go ahead and find our device again. We'll long press on it. This time we'll go to the settings at the bottom right. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom again. We'll tap Remove Accessory, and we'll confirm it there, and that's how you do that. The physical reset of the device is equally as easy. You'll tap and hold on the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds until you get that tone, and then you'll hold it for another 3 seconds until you get the descending tones. And that's how you do that. We do hope you found today's video useful. If you did, you can let us know by giving us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check us out on social media at My HomeKit Home. Also, one of these two videos here you might find interesting too, and you can find even more information in the description box down below. Well, that about does it for this one. I do thank you for watching, and until I see you in the next one, this has been Dustin with My HomeKit Home.